Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maha Malik Artwork. Today I'm back with a new painting. So let's start. I will paint a sunset scene, and first we start with mixing orange color with the yellow, lime yellow color. The warm golden sky fading into a soft orange sky, it will give a very peaceful look. We will blend the colors gently with the flat brush by adding a little water in the colors. Here we use a little white to make the lime yellow fade. Then I am painting a soft white sun to bring life to our beautiful golden sky. Now I am going to paint a grassy surface. For the grassy surface I use light green over the paper and gently blending it with a flat brush. For the grassy surface I use different shades of green to give it a smooth look. Now it's time to add olive green over the light green and tapping over brush to give a natural textured look to the grass, making our grass appear soft and lush. We are now going to add yellow over the dark base because blending darker tones at the base and lighter tone towards the top to create the depth. Next I am painting the dark outline of a traditional dome pavilion. Its delicate arcs and pillars adding depth against the warm sky. we are adding detailings to our dome by using a brush pen and brown color. In front of the dome, I painted clusters of plants, using short upward stalks for the leaves. I mixed different shades of green to add variety and depth. Then, by using a smaller brush to add bright red and yellow dots for the flowers. This layering of colors and texture makes the plant look beautiful and vibrant, adding life to the scene. The final touch is adding birds to the sky, and here our painting is ready. So come for the final look.